Hey guys, Sarah from CourseCraft here. Today we are talking landing pages. And I know for some course creators a landing page can be a bit of an afterthought, and I totally get it. You spend tons of time and effort making your e-course amazing, and then once you get to the landing page part, you're maybe feeling a little burnt out. But if someone can't get past your landing page, they're never going to see the course you created. So it's worth it to spend quite a bit of time making your landing page perfect. But don't worry, you don't have to have years of marketing or copyright experience to make a great landing page. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you a few of my favorite tips on how to create a landing page that brings out your personality, gets people excited for your course, and most importantly, entices them to make that purchase. One of the most important things to do on your landing page is to introduce yourself. Write a little section about who you are, what your experience is, and why you're teaching this course. Just talk about yourself and your story. The main purpose of this is to show prospective students that there's a real person behind your course. And part of the fun of an e-course, at least in my opinion, is getting that one-on-one feel with the instructor. So an introduction section lets your students see who it is they'll be learning from. And it doesn't have to be a written section either. Video is a great way to introduce yourself and give a face-to-face introduction to your students. This is Suzi's landing page from Splendidly Curious, and I just love Suzi's introduction. She talks about all her accomplishments. She's a designer, a brand strategist, a podcaster, and a marketing expert, and she also mentions her struggles as a business owner too. And I love this little paragraph here about how her process engineer husband consulted on her course. You get a bonus nerd. And of course, a lovely, friendly photo of Suzi helps you put a face to the name. My second tip is to make your landing page eye-catching and interesting to look at. It should pull people in visually and make them interested to read more. Make sure you're breaking up large areas of text with some photos or images with text on them, or just different formatting. Nobody wants to read paragraph after paragraph of text. Shelley Klammer always does a great job with this. She teaches art classes and makes sure to include big, beautiful images of her artwork to get you excited for her course. Next, you'll want to talk about the what and the why of your course. The what of your course is basically all the practical info. What exactly are you going to be teaching? What's the time commitment, the schedule of your content, the format of your course? Is there any experience needed, any supplies needed? What's the length? What's the time commitment? And what are the skills they're going to learn? And remember to be specific. A lot of people haven't taken an e-course before and really don't know what to expect. The why of your course is why someone wants to learn what you're teaching. How will it impact their lives? Why do they want to learn it? And quite often the why is more important than the what. The ladies at Badassery Magazine are the queens of getting you pumped about their why. Their landing page is full of personality, humor, and glitter, and they are always very clear about how their Badassery Academy will change your life. My next tip is to repeat, repeat, repeat. On landing pages, people tend to scroll quickly instead of reading things top to bottom, so don't be afraid to repeat yourself. Try to find different ways to say the same sort of things over and over again. For example, if you're talking about your course's why, say it in text, talk about it in a video, and then have a quote from a student. Don't be afraid to repeat yourself, because the first time the wording might just not have resonated with someone, or they skipped it while they were scrolling the page. A great way to use repetition without literally repeating yourself is to get past students to do the bragging for you. Micah J here uses tons of testimonials to have his students tell you why his course is amazing. My last tip is to make sure that you make use of the pre-built sections on your CourseCraft landing page. We have special pre-built sections for table of contents, testimonials, and FAQ sections. So you can just drop your information in there and it'll already be styled to look amazing. You don't have to do anything. So you can see that landing pages come in all different styles, but if you want to have a successful e-course, you'll need to design a landing page that sells. Basically, think of your landing page as an extension of your course, where it's your job to get people excited about your course and wanting to see more. And if you keep that in mind, you'll be great. I put links to all the examples that I used in the description box below, so you can take a closer look if you want, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more like it.